ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्. See how samskara express automatically. So far I have explained something. Automatically Purnamada came. Okay. Who will do 14th one?
बैल उठा उक्षणा उत्थितवान्.
Uksha. What is that padam?
Ukshana.
Ukshana. Which vibhakti?
Prathama amma.
Prathama. What is the pratipadika?
Rajan Pratipadika amma.
Rajan pratipadika.
Ukshanamma. Sorry. Ukshan Pratipadika.
Ukshan pratipadika. Ukshan pratipadika. What is the prathama ekavachanam?
Uksha amma.
Uksha. Now you can tell.
Uksha uttitavan.
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 Is it uttitavan or uttishtavan?
Uttitavan అని రాశానమ్మా లేకపోతే జాగ్రత్తవాన్ అని రాశాను.
Okay, uttitavan. Yesterday I said uttishtavan. So you can correct that. Yesterday's one. It is not uttishtavan. Uttitavan. Next. Next one. Who wants to say? Yeah, anyone can say.
नारी ने नदी देखी स्त्री नदीम दृष्टवती.
Nadim. Nadim is which vibhakti?
द्वितीय विभक्ति.
Vachanam.
एकवचनम्. एकवचनम्.
Pratipadika.
नदी. नदी शब्द.
Nadi is the pratipadika. Can you decline Nadi shabda?
नदी नद्यौ नद्यः नदीं नद्यौ नदीः नद्या नदीभ्यां नदीभिः नद्यै नदीभ्यां नदीभ्यः नद्याः नदीभ्यां नदीभ्यः नद्याः नद्योः नदीनां नद्यां नद्योः नदीषु हे नदी हे नद्यौ हे नद्यः
Next one.
पुत्री जननी उक्तवती
Aparna ji, go ahead.
पुत्री
पुत्री जननी से बोली
Hmm.
पुत्री पुत्री जननी से पुत्री जनन्यै उक्तवती पुत्री जनन्यै उक्तवती अम्मा
Jananyai. Jananyai, which vibhakti?
पंचमी
चतुर्थी
Jananyai, Chaturthi.
कोरकुंकई चतुर्थी अम्मा
Which vibhakti should come there?
जननी से अनप्पु
Anybody?
Should we use Shashti like Jananya?
No,
I would
द्वितीय, right?
द्वितीय पुत्री जननी उक्तवती
Is it to or is it with? How do we translate this?
I think it's Tritiya.
Dvitiya. Okay.
Tritiya.
Tritiya. Oh, then Tritiya.
Putri is telling his mother.
So the Tritiya would be for Putri, right? It will be Putriya, Putriya. Janani. Yeah, speaking to mother. So it is.
Yes.
అమ్మా నే సే ద్వారా తృతీయలో ఉందమ్మా నే సే ద్వారా తృతీయ విభక్తి అని ఇచ్చారమ్మా రెండో అభ్యాసంలో
But sometimes we may not follow those things. Like here it is the example. So say is saying Tritiya, but if we cannot take Tritiya, so the Janani should be in Dvitiya.
పుత్రి జననీ ముక్తవతి అమ్మా అయితే
Yes. Next one.
Can I go? Uktavati or Uktavanam, because it is past.
You can tell, is it Uktavan or Uktavati?
Bodhi is there. Putri Janani se Bodhi. Bodhi means already she has spoken.
Yes.
So it is past tense.
Past tense. Uktavati is which tense?
Past tense. Uktavati is present one.
What is the Pratipadika for Uktavati? Anybody?
Uktavat.
Uktavat is the Pratipadika. Then why Uktavan and Uktavati? Two forms are there.
Uktavan is, oh sorry, go ahead.
Uktavan is for Pullinga, Uktavati is for Strilinga.
Uktavan is pullinga, uktavati is strilinga. Here putri is strilinga or pullinga?
Striling.
Strilinga. That's why uktavati has come. Is it clear?
Okay. Clear.
Okay. Next. Yes, yes.
कवि राजा के गुणों का वर्णन करता है. कवि ही राजस्य गुणानां कथयति. It's a latlakara.
Yes. Rajasya. Rajasya is which vibhakti?
It should be Rajnyaha, no?
Yeah,
Shashti.
Rajnyaha.
Rajnyaha. Why Rajnyaha?
Shashti. The gunas belong to
The king.
No. Why? What I'm asking is, why not Rajasya? Why it is Rajnyaha?
oh,
Rajan Shabda.
Rajan is the Pratipadika. Nakaranta Pullinga Shabda. It is not Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. We have to remember we are very familiar with Rama Shabda. Wherever it comes, we will use Rama Shabda.
I think I did that, so okay.
I did that today too. Instead of Atmanaha, I said Atmanas.
So many times we had gone through that Atmanaha. So we are very familiar with that Rama Shabda, but it is very good. So Bhagwan Rama is in our mind. Yes, Rajnyaha. So rest of the sentence is clear. Gunanam is Bahuvachanam and Shashti. Next. Anybody?
Raja mantribihi saha mantriyate.
Raja?
Mantribihi saha mantriyate. Mantriyate.
Why Saha came?
राजा मंत्रियों से मंत्रणा करता है. So that's
okay. Raja mantribhihi mantrayate.
okay.
So there is no Saha, right?
It's present, right? It's mantrati.
Mantrayate.
Mantrayate, whatever, but mantrati.
I used Atmanepadi. Mantrayate is Atmanepadi.
So it should be mantrati.
I don't think Parasmepadi is there. I'll check.
Okay.
All these dhatus are in Atmanepadi, I think.
Mantranam karoti, lute and then mantranam karoti. Because
yes, Mantrayati is also there. Mantranam karoti is also we can do. Yes,
No,
Parasmepadi.
I wrote mantrati, not mantrayati. I wrote mantrati.
Mantrati. No, this is Churadigana. Mantra dhatu is Churadigana. In Churadigana, we will use Nich. Nijanta Kartari, Lat. Okay, next. Krishna ji? Will you be able to do?
राजा शत्रु को डराता है, राजा शत्रु विद्यते
बिभेति.
विभेति
लट् प्रथमपुरुष एकवचनं बिभेति.
विभेति
Tarj has been
कर्मणि
so-
प्रयोग. This is kartari prayoga. But you are saying, Shirshaji?
Tarj dhatu. So tarjati is what I wrote in the word bank. It's
That
given
tarj dhatu is churadigana dhatu. Tarjayati. So when you are writing the dhatu forms, you can look at the Ashtadhyayi. It would be better, because we don't know which dhatu belongs to which gana and all. We have studied the 10 ganas are there, but what are the dhatus which belongs to this gana and all, we have not studied. I also don't know.
So
Okay.
if I put in tarj dhatu, right? So how will I just know it is like I have to go to Churadigana now, because when I
No,
put
you
tarj,
have to, like mantra, like mantra I type na, here it is there, Churadigana. If we open, oh, there is mantrati also.
Yes, that is the confusion we always fall into, because it comes latlakar form. It doesn't have parasmaipadi yakara. So only nich the mantrayate or atmanepadi it comes mantrayate.
In general also, this niche comes. In general kartari prayoga also, niche form we can use.
Okay. For churadi gana dhatus we can use, right?
Yes.
so we cannot use mantrati here. Mantrati is not valid.
Yes, we can use.
Tarj also here. So that's why
Yeah,
I
that's
wrote
what I wanted. Tarjati.
That is also there.
yes.
Just, okay.
Yes,
So tarjate is also okay, and tarjati is also okay.
Tarjayate.
Tarjayati.
Which
and
tarjane. So this dhatu, churadigana dhatu. For that there is no tarjate, but sane for this tarjati is there. But both for meaning is correct. But this is vadigana, that is churadigana.
But the meaning, the first one is right? The tarj, it's the Rajan Shatrun Tarjati, to defeat.
See, to threaten is there.
Yeah, to threaten.
So both are the same. Here to frighten is there, here to threaten is there. Both are correct. Next.
वह लड़की तर्क करती है, सह बालिका तर्कयति. और
Yes. Next.
वह भोजन का
Okay. Anybody can continue. Uma, go ahead.
वह भोजन का स्वाद लेता है, सह भोजनम स्वादयति.
Yes. Next.
आस्वादयति, right?
Aswadayati.
Yes. Svadayati, aswadayati.
Same.
Both.
Okay.
Atmanepada, so asvadaye, asvadate. So
Yes, swad means aswadane only. Swadate. Swadayati. We have used nich, so it is swadayati. See, here Vadigana is there, but still Swadayati is there. So we have studied only few niyamas. Okay, continue. Swadayati is correct.
You can also say Pippalam Swaduatti. No, I'm just kidding. So sorry.
Pippalam Swadu. Swadu there is Avyaya-pada.
Yeah. No, Atti is the word verb
Ah,
there. I was
yes.
just joking.
Hmm. Yes. Like that. Okay, next.
दुर्जनः सज्जनस्य गर्ह्यति.
What is the Kriya Pada?
गर्ह्यति अन्नम्मा. गर्हयति.
Dahyati.
गर्ह्यति.
Ga or da?
गा अम्मा.
Ga.
आम्.
Garhyati is which kind of form?
In the
ಮತ್ತೆ ಪೈನ
Latlakara.
ಗರ್ಹ ಲಟ್ಲಕ.
Latlakara.
Latlakara. Garhyati is there? Or Garhati?
ಯತಿ ಗರ್ಹಯತಿ ಅಮ್ಮ.
Garhayati.
Garhati.
Garhati or Garhayati. Not Garhyati. Garhyati becomes Karmani Prayoga. Okay, continue. Next. If the pada is not clear, then if we won't pronounce correctly, then it becomes the another meaning and another pada. Next.
Sajjan Satya.
Go ahead, Sirisha ji.
सज्जन सत्य को ढूंढता है. सज्जनः सत्यं गवेषति.
Gaveshayati or Gaveshati?
Gaveshayati.
Okay, I wrote gaveshati.
No, Gaveshayati. When most of the dhatus will get ya in niche. Some won't get ya. Actually, it gets ikara. Because of ayadi sandhi, it becomes ya. I think we have done 33rd chapter. Next, 34. Mati, Shruti, Smriti, all these are ikaranta strilinga shabdas. Bhumi, Pankti, Pratipadika is Mati, Shruti, Smriti. All these are, they have given in Prathama Ekavachanam, Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Pankti, Pankti means line. Oshadhihi, medicine. Shrenihi, class. Angulihi, forefinger. Pritihi, prema, love. Anuraktihi, anuraga, attachment. Kantihi, shine. Shantihi, peace. Prakritihi, swabhava. What is the karika? Anybody remember?
Sorry, which word?
Prakriti.
Oh, Prakritiranyatha bhava. That one? Na kathanchit.
Yes, yes. So even here we can do Mandukya, early morning. Bhaktihi, so devotion. Shaktihi, power. Murtihi, form. Paddhatihi, method. Samruddhihi, growth. Samitihi, sabha, assembly. Suktihi, subhashita, means good words. Niyatihi, niyatihi, this is similar to niyama. English word I have them.
Order.
Ordered.
Organization.
Okay.
In Hindi, they've given a different meaning. No? They've given fortune. Is that the
Fortune is the correct word. Yes. Fortune. Vyaktihi, manushyaha. Ratrihi, night. Titihi, tithi. Up to this, Ikaranta, Strilinga Shabdas. Ratri is also Strilinga Shabda. Patat. Patat is Shatru Pratyaya. Pratipadika is Patat. We have to decline in Subanta. We'll see the sutra for Shatru Pratyaya. This is the sutra for Shatru Pratyaya and Shanash Pratyaya. Visa Nishta. In Nishta, there are two kinds of Pratyayas. Ta Pratyaya, Tavatu Pratyaya. These two are one pair, Shatru and Shanaj. Nishtha is for which tense?
Past tense.
Past tense. Now we want to come to present tense. This Shatru and Shanaj is present, actually continuous tense, but we can use in Kriyapada will be there in past, present and future. But Shatru Pratyaya is indicating continuous tense, continuous tense. Vartamana Arthe, Prathama, this Prathama Binna Vibhaktehe Vishaye, keep aside. Vartamana Arthe, Latlakarasya, Shatru Shanach Adesho Bhavataha. Why there is Bhavataha? Generally Bhavati should come, right?
Yes.
Shatru and Shanaj, probably two of them.
Yes. It is not a mistake. It is Dvivachan. Shatru Shanach Adesho Bhavataha. See, this is how we have to practice in texts, Vyakarana. We don't need to sit separately for Vyakarana. Vartamana Arthe. Vartamana Arthe, here actually the sutra and Vritti says in the sense of Vartamana Kala only. Even Vyakarana, those people who has completely studied Ashtadhyayi and soaked in that, they won't agree this is continuous tense. They say there is no continuous tense in the Vyakarana, Sanskrit. There is only present, past, future. There is no continuous separately. But in basic granthas, they have explained in this way, continuous tense. Even for us, it will be easy to understand to say it is continuous tense. Like, Pashyan, Shrunvan, Sprushan, Jigran, Ashnan, Gachan, Swapan, Shwasan. All these are in Shatru Pratyaya. So there, this continuous tense is used. We'll see the examples so that it will become clear. Pratama Abhinna Vibhaktehe. Why this has come? I will explain. First, I will explain how lat lakara shatru pratyaya form will form. We have to form. So lat lakara shatru. Okay. The sutra and vritti is clear.
Purnaji, can we go over the nimitta, adesha, and sthani for this? It's kind of helpful.
It is not required.
Okay, all right.
Like Sandhi Sutras, how we see. Okay. Let us see.
It's just that it's something new and
Yes.
Yeah.
Lat lakarasya. Which vibhakti?
Shashti.
Shashti. Shatru shanachau. Which vibhakti? Shanach adeshau.
In Saptami.
Dvitiya.
Adesh is always Prathama. I mean, Dvivachanam.
Means Prathama Dvivachanam. Sorry, not
Yes.
Prathama. Prathama Dvivachanam.
Right. Because it is Adesha.
That's how we have to recognize. Some indicating will be there, even if we don't know exactly. Shatru Shanach Adesho, because Kriya Pada is Bhavataha. Next, Vartamana Arte is in which vibhakti?
That's Saptami.
Saptami.
Vartamana Arte is Saptami. Saptami is for what?
Sthani. Panchami or Saptami, right?
No.
Oh, so is Shashti for Sthani? Then
Yes.
Okay, then it's Nimitta then.
Thani.
Yeah,
So Adesha anyway, Adesha is there, so we don't need to worry. Adesha. Sthani. So what is remaining is Nimitta.
Nimitta.
At least one. Anyway, Adesha will be in Prathama and Adesha Bhavati will come. So we don't need to remember that. We have to remember either Shashti or Saptami. So Saptami is Nimitta, if we remember, then Shashti remaining is Thani, Parishesha Nyayena.
Okay, thank
Here.
you.
In the place of Lat Lakara, Shatru Shanach Pratyaya will come as Adesha. When it is in Vartamana Arte, when it is in the sense of Vartamana, present, or continuous tense. Is it clear?
Yes, thank you.
Now we'll see the Shabda. Pat Shabda, we'll see. Pat. So we want Vartamana Kala. Vartamana Kala, Lat Lakara we have brought. What is the sutra for Lat Lakara?
Vartamane lat.
Yes. Vartamane Lat. Then, now which one we want to bring in the place of Lat Lakara?
Shatru.
Shatru Pratyaya we want. By which sutra? Lataha Shatru Shanaja Vapratama Samanadhikarane. I don't copy everything. Next, what will remain in this Shatru Pratyaya? Rukara will be there.
No, Rikara will get removed. It's Sanya.
By which sutra?
Oh, Shatru. Okay.
उपदेशे अजनुनासिक इत्तम्मा.
Upadeshe ajanunasika it. Next. What else remaining here?
Shakvatadite shakara will go. I will be there.
What will remain?
Shakara will remain. At will remain. At.
Okay, yes. So if we split Shatru, Sha, A, Ta, Ru will come. This Rukara will go by Upadeshe Ajananasika it tasya lopaha. And this Akara, Shakara will go by
Lashakvatadite.
Sorry, this is Pat Dhatu, not Patha. Yeah, when we do mistakes, what is final form, there we will get our mistakes. Pat is there. So Shakara, Rakara will go, A and Ta will remain. What is the final form? Patat.
Patata.
This is the Pratipadika. Pat Dhatu, Shatru Pratyaya, Pratipadika. We have to remember Pratipadikas. Otherwise, we cannot recognize the Shabdas, Vibhattis. Now, this is the Pratipadika. It gets Pratipadika Sanya after adding Shatru Pratyaya. Now, we can decline. Patat Su. Su au jas. Anybody remember those Pratyayas?
So just about just tabhyam bis, gebhyam byas, gasibhyam byas, gas os am, gi os sup.
Those are supratyas. So for all Shatru Pratyaya and Shanash Pratyaya, we will add supratyas. Then Patan, Patantau, Patantaha. There Nakara comes because of some sutra. We don't need to worry. We just have to memorize Patan, Patantau, Patantaha, Patantam, Patantau, Patataha, Patatha, Patadbhyam, Patadbhyaha, Patate, Patadbhyam, Patadbhyaha. Sorry, Tritiya is Bis Pratyaya, Patadbhihi. Chaturthi is Patadbhyaha. Next, Patataha, Patadbhyam, Patadbhyaha. Patataha, Patatoho, Patatam. Patati, Patatoho, Patatsu. These are the Shatru Pratyaya forms. So, we have to remember these Pratyayas. I told you how to remember easily with Supratyayas. Dhatu, we have to connect with the Pratipadika, we have to just connect with the Supratyayas. That's all. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om